Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video, guys, if you have a Kia Optima and you're trying to find where your TCU fuse is located. This is the transmission control unit, also known as transmission computer, guys. Stay with us. We have two fuses, one is inside the vehicle, one outside, and we're going to cover all that today. These guys should work on Kia Optima, guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima, guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics, guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here. Check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle, next to the footwell, you can see that fuse box, okay, right here. Remove that cover and that's where the fuses are. So what we did, guys, we actually took a picture of the fuse box that we showed you inside, so that way you can actually, guys, see, okay, where everything is located, because otherwise it's almost impossible, guys, to stick the camera, my hand and light at the same time to show you, okay, the fuses, guys. Otherwise it's practically impossible. So which fuse we need to check? On the back side of your fuse box cover, we try to take a picture and zoom it so you can see better. The first fuse that you need to check, it's a little bit hidden, it's known as IG1. It's a 20 amp fuse. So if you come, guys, to row number, okay, 1 2 3 4 5, you come down 1 2 3 4 5 6, that last fuse, the 20 amp fuse, that's the one that you need to check, guys. This is for the transmission control unit and for the engine computer as well. Very important fuse. After that, you have one fuse, guys. Okay, but before we go, let me tell you something. Always test the fuses, guys. Never assume they're good or bad, okay? If you replace them with a new one, it's fine, but always test your fuses before you put them in the car to make sure that it's good. You may think you have a good fuse when they're actually bad fuses, and that can cost you so much time and money to fix your Kia Optima. We have a special video that explains how to fix a fuse, and we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Now, this fuse cover in the engine compartment, check it out right here. You're going to open, one tap here, squish, pull straight up. Perfect. On the back side you can see the fuses printed, okay, and we zoomed it a little bit so we can show you with a great detail. The fuse, guys, that you need to check, it's known as a TCU number 1. This is the transmission control module right here, 20 amp fuse. So counting the one that it's missing here, 1 2 3 4, this fuse, guys. Okay, this 20 amp fuse, that's the one that you need to check. That's for the engine computer, for the transmission computer, excuse me. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you having problems with that. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.